Okay, this is something after we purchased their estate, we had to do a bunch of these. So what it is, it's a shutoff valve, and Lucas has taken the little rubber thing off. Now, as their estate, there was like no rubber on there whatsoever. It was just down to the metal. And they were older, they were bigger, but it was the same idea. So this one's broken up some, and we're going to either put a flat one on, or we have this other cone one right here. We'll see what fits. So that's one of the big things, is make sure you have a nice rubber thing on there. And it's hard rubber. It's pretty stiff. Even the old one, I mean, it has some give to it, but really stiff. So to get it off, you have to unscrew it from here. And you can see that's where it hooks on. And then what we're going to do is take some of this, it's like a string. Really, it's more of a, oh, what do they call it? It's more of a rubber, not a rubber, but a material, kind of like that sealant that you put around here. It's kind of rubbery. So we'll wrap that around the stem down here. We have to, ideally, if we can get this screw off or nut off, then we can take this off and wrap a little bit around the stem and then tighten it on there. So those are really the two things. We'll put a little bit of that silicone grease on here. Other than that, that's really all it takes to fix these things. But as their estate, we had to do like a bunch of them. It took me weeks to do them all. So this is just one. I haven't done it in quite a while, so it's like relearning it. But it's not that hard to do. It takes a little time, a little tedious.